Daddy put together a little surprise for Chelsea last night. Go see what's in the living room. What's that?
I'll bring it at home.
Yeah, we brought it home and Daddy put it together. It's her little tree house that she got from Santa and all of her little animals. Aren't they so cute?
Yeah. Yeah,
yeah. And Michael, look. Daddy put the little baby on the sun chair. Isn't it cute?
and that.
And there's an umbrella, yep. And look. It's a little basket and you crank it and it goes up and down.
Put down.
Up and down. Yeah.
Okay. Just a tree house.
And Daddy put, yeah, it's your tree house. Daddy put the bathroom stuff inside so you can play with your animals. He put all the animals in the tree house. And Daddy's so funny. He's so thoughtful. Put it all together. Here's her new fox family she got last night from her Mimi and Papa. See? That one fell down. Look, Chelsea, there's a slide.
That's funny.
Isn't it funny? And there's another swing up here. And there's a ladder. There's so many fun things to play with, huh? Is he pushing him on the swing?
I'm climbing slide. No. Let's go, friends. Uh-oh, Daddy's so big.
Oh, but Daddy's too big for the slide. Oh, you got it. There he goes.
Go, go. Uh-oh, we're not sliding.
Oh, this you need to move. There you go.
Dings.
Welcome.
Mommy's turn. Mommy's. It's. No.
Woo!
Baby's turn. Baby's turn now.
I bet Baby goes down the slide fast. Because she's little. She'll go down fast, huh?
Baby, honey. Baby, go fast.
Yeah.
Go.
Ooh.
Mommy's turn. Oh. Oh, Mommy's can't fit.
There she goes.
Oh, oopsies. Oopsies. Move for them.
Here, maybe if we move this a little bit, that'll help too. Chelsea, are you hiding from the vacuum? Uh-oh. Oh, it's gone after my diaper bag. Oh no. Oh, it's gonna get me. Here, I guess I'll pick that up. Is it gonna get you? Here it comes.
Yeah. So we can get a load.
Pick up those feet. There we go.
There's a crayon right there.
I don't know, would it suck up a crayon?
The crayon.
No.
Yeah. Just to make sure.
There it goes. Pick up them feet. Such a little teenager, I tell ya. Oh my goodness. Laying on the couch, feet propped up. Look at those two little goats. You guys want to know something funny? I went to cook dinner tonight because this is the first time I've cooked at home since we've been back from Michigan, and I totally couldn't remember where my own stuff in this house is. I was like, where do I keep the cookie sheets? Because I'm making chicken breasts, so I had to line them up on a cookie sheet. And I had to stop and think for a minute. Where do we keep the cookie sheets? Where do we keep them, Chelsea Journey? I could not remember. So I just kind of had a brain fart moment where I was like, when you've been using someone else's kitchen for that long, you forget where your own stuff is. But I found them pretty quickly. It was just like a split-second thing. But last night we ate over at my family's. We bought pizzas. And then the night before, was that the night Michael got home? See, I don't even remember the days. Yeah, the night before the girls and I went out and I had Chinese and they had Subway. So like we've been eating out just from getting home and still in vacation mode and stuff like that. And we were gonna do like a Christmas dinner at my mom's last night and I said, why put ourselves through all the work of cooking? Let's just order pizzas. So I went and got us all pizza. So anyway, cooking first real dinner since being home, and it just felt really weird like to do all of that. It still feels really weird to be home. What? I want mac and cheese. We're having mac and cheese with the chicken. Sound good? Chelsea's wearing her Michigan shirt today. Show everybody your shirt. Whoa! And Daddy said, why didn't you have her wear it Friday? Because I guess Friday they're playing a game. I said, I don't know. I don't know their schedule. Whoopsie. So we might have to wash it and wear it again on Friday, huh? Yeah, sounding like a plan.
Baby.
Yeah. What's going on out there? I'm cooking dinner and see how sunny it is? It is actually raining out right now. How funny is that? There must be a rain cloud. Can you guys even see the rain through the dirty window? I guess we need to wash the window. You can't even see it, but it's like super duper, maybe if I stand back here, no. Super duper sunny out and it just started raining. My mom said it was supposed to rain today. You know what? Oh, that's weird. Look at, the patio is dry. It's not raining on the patio, but right there in the backyard, it's raining. Oh, now it's coming this way. Oh, that's so crazy. This Florida weather is crazy, I tell ya. Even more crazy than the weather in Michigan was. What? It's raining out there, Missy.
Oh, I'm going to use this slide. Oh. Wake up, Daddy, wake up. Wake up. Okay, there's enough wake up. Which one is these steps? Mommy.
Let's see how far you get without Dad cutting it.
She doesn't want Daddy to cut it. These are caramel apples we got from my aunt for Christmas.
I'm eating mine.
They're so good. They're from QVC. And they're called Printables. And she gets them every year and they're amazing. We already had some earlier that I cut up real small for Chelsea.
You probably can't even lift that.
Hey, it's almost as big as your head. Look at her face.
Does it need to be cut? No. Okay.
She's insisting on us not cutting it.
When those M&Ms are on, they're pretty good.
Look at Alex.
Hi. It's time for the question of the day.
Here you go.
It doesn't come via text message. Today's question comes from Abigail Cendana, and the question is, what is your favorite memory of 2015? Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so I doubt we're gonna have any spectacular memories today or tomorrow, you never know. But what was your favorite memory?
Pass.
Oh, poop.
Going to StreamCon and meeting Thomas Sanders.
Good answer. That was a good moment for you, huh?
But you were almost too chicken to even...
Alex
Actually,
is...
Mom had to force you to do it.
Yeah. I basically said, come on, we're going over and we're meeting him because this is probably like one of your only chances of ever getting to meet him. And it's, come on, and grabbed her and we went over and we talked to him.
Like dragged me over there.
But aren't you glad I did?
Yes.
See, you gotta be proactive in life and go for what you want to get.
Yep.
There's your place for the day? Go after
Pass.
what? Oh, come on.
Nope, what's yours?
I told Michael this one is so hard because I'm like trying to rack my brain of all the memories that we have. We had a good year, so. But I guess what would stand out for me would be when our nephew Elias was born, because you're adding a member to the family. So how awesome is that? We gained a boy in the family finally, and yeah, that was definitely an awesome memory. Although, when Michael and I went to Blogger Bash, we had a lot of fun.
That was not a good memory for me.
Because you got sick.
I got double sick.
You did.
I had the neck thing and then I had the taste thing.
Yeah, that was rough.
Although the taste thing happened after Blogger Bash, after we got home a couple days
You know
after.
what's so crazy is I didn't even remember that until you just now brought it
Oh,
up.
I remembered it.
I know, I'm sure you
That
did.
was horrible.
But we just had a lot of
That
fun
would be
at
my
Blogger
worst
Bash.
memory.
Oh.
The whole taste thing, that was probably like
That was
top
rough.
10 worst things ever to happen.
Oh. Okay, so I'm dying to know what Michael's answer is because he knew right
I would
away.
have thought you'd have figured it out pretty easily.
What?
Going to Michigan for a month.
Well, I figured you were going to say something that had to do with Christmas or Michigan or whatever,
Yeah,
but
that would be mine.
yeah, we
Just
were.
being able to spend that much time up there, just no snow. It all is happening now.
Is it really?
Yep.
I told Michael too. I said, "How much you want to bet as soon as we leave?" Like all the
And the
snow goes.
temperatures are back to like what they should be.
What they should
so
be.
it's cold.
They need to send it on down here. It's hot down here. So yeah, I figured Michael would say something to do with Christmas or something to do with the fact that we were in Michigan for all that time. So we want to know from you guys, and this is kind of a thought process one you're gonna have to think on a little bit. What is your favorite memory from 2015? And I can't wait to read you guys' answers.
Oh, they have to do twice as much work. What was your personal, in your life, favorite memory? And then what was your favorite memory from our vlogs throughout the whole year?
From watching us.
Yep.
Leave it in the comments below.